welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. Today I'm recording this video. It's a simple video. Some people may think why am I recording this? I'm actually recording to show you how to like, to share, to add a comment, and or subscribe to a YouTube channel. And this is for two people. If you are a YouTuber, you can use this video to show your subscribers or the new people you say, you know what, watch that little video, because I'm intending it to be a short video, to see how you can support me. And I'm going to walk you to show them, so they will, instead of you explaining, just share this video and say, go support me like that. Because the way they support you is by liking, sharing, adding comments, and subscribing to your channel. Now, if you are just you're not a YouTuber, you like to watch videos, this is the way you support your favorite people. For your favorite YouTubers, they'll appreciate you. Okay, it's good if you watch their videos, but they will not even know you watch their videos until you do these kind of things, especially if you leave a comment. So if you want to support your favorite YouTubers, the ones you watch, always like their videos, share their videos when you can, when you feel there's someone who may benefit. Subscribe to their channel, and most importantly, add a comment. Add a comment, because that's the only way they'll know you watched it. So now I'm going to walk you through how you do that. I'm starting here. This is my YouTube channel, by the way. Today you are not seeing me. You are not seeing me, but you can see me in my other videos. If you look below, you can see I have so many videos on my channel. So I start here on my channel. Now let's assume I want to watch someone I like to watch. Let's see. Like for example, this channel. This channel is actually, I like to watch it. Salma's Office. I land here. Let's assume I land here. Now I have to unsubscribe, subscribe, because I'm already subscribed. I just changed that for the purpose of showing you how subscribing works. Now, when you land on a channel, the first thing you see, when this button is red, it means you have not subscribed to the channel. You may forget. You could be watching someone, but you forgot to subscribe to their channel. So when you see it's red, it means you have not subscribed, but I'll do this one later. Subscribe, I'll explain that later. Let's first do something else. And by the way, while I'm on this, I have to mention to you, if you go to a channel, and if someone is excited, they say, oh, I'm a YouTuber, they show you their channel, and you just hit the red button, and you hit it, because when you hit it, that means subscribe, right? If you do that, it's not good for that person, because YouTube is going to remove you. You are supposed to watch first. Watch at least a minute. In fact, the rule is a view. It's like 30 seconds, but let's say a minute. Always watch something for a minute. So that's what I'm going to do here. So you land on a channel or a video. Let's see. Okay, let's assume I wanted to watch this video. Edit and upload a YouTube banner. Okay, I click on it. Remember? Now it shows you here, right here in your face. It says it's red. That means I have not subscribed. But remember, I just unsubscribed just to demonstrate this. So this is what we are learning today. Assuming I'm here, I watch it, I'm happy. Because you are not obligated to subscribe or to like anything. In fact, you may dislike it. But assuming you're happy and you want to support this channel. So how do I like the video? You click here. See, always look at the number you found. Sometimes there are large numbers you are liking may not even show up, like because someone has like 30,000 likes already. You may not see your like adding up. But here you can see she has 9. So let's see if when you like. This is liking. You like it, you give it a thumbs up. So when they say give it a thumbs up, that's what they mean. Like it. So I just added mine. It's 10. Now let's assume I really didn't like it. If I didn't like it, it would be like this. I give it a thumbs down, assuming I didn't like it. See, she didn't have any dislike. I'll just put the first one, the first dislike, which is a bad thing. It's not a good thing to dislike. There are people who just dislike without even seeing what it's all about. Okay, so that's disliking, but that's not, I was just demonstrating. I'll go back to liking. I liked it. Okay, now I said share. We're gonna go to subscribe last. How do you share? This button here. You share, by the way, this, I'm using a laptop to demonstrate this, but if you're on a phone, still, you'll see these buttons. So share. When you click on share, see what happens. That's how you share. Even if you're on a phone, wherever you are, it brings these ways to share. You can share it here on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter, on email, or you can create a post. You can share, or you can copy the address for this video. You can copy and share with someone. Okay, that's sharing. If you did that, this video, if you did all these things I'm talking about, is going to be promoted. The channel is going to be promoted by YouTube because you're doing all the nice things. Okay, now the last one. I want to do this last because it's more explaining. Subscribe. Now I've been here a while, so I qualify to be a subscriber. YouTube will not remove me. But if you just subscribe without watching, within 24 hours, I think 48 hours, YouTube removes all those people who just subscribe. So please don't do it. Always watch first. So now I'm about to subscribe. So when you subscribe, it changes color. See? Subscribed. Now, they always say hit the bell, because when you subscribe, it brings this bell. And this bell has options. When you click on it like this, you can, it means, you know, when you subscribe to a YouTube channel and go, you may forget all about it. But if you want to remember which channel you subscribe to, I mean, you want to watch this person again, their videos, you click on the bell so that YouTube notifies you when they have new videos, whatever is going, they're going live. So now you see it says personalized. When it's personalized, it means you don't want all of them. You don't want, or like my channel, I have things every day. Maybe you don't want all of it. So when you click personalized, it means YouTube will notify you of some of them. You may wonder how YouTube knows which ones you like, because of the way you behave when you are on YouTube. You know, they're tracking everyone. So they see how you behave, which kind of videos you like. So they'll be sending you some notification on some, not all. But it will be best to choose all. So when you choose all, that means everything Salma will be doing, they will be sending you notification. Okay? But by the way, those notifications, you'll only be able to see them if your notification is turned on. You know, the notifications you have on your phone turns on, or in your computer, because if you don't, if it turned off, then you'll never know what's going on. So turned on, assuming turned on, yes, then you'll be notified, and then you click on the notification, you can watch, and your YouTuber will value that if you clicked on their notification. Most people don't click on notifications. It's a small percentage that do, but if you did, that's the best thing. And then while we're on subscribe, this is what happens if you don't have a YouTube account. And having a YouTube account means having a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you cannot subscribe. So you cannot do what you just did here. To subscribe, you have to have a Google account. You know, Google owns YouTube. So to have a Google account, when you have a Gmail account, you already have a Google account. But assuming you are new to all this, so you don't have a Google account, this is where you'll go. You can even go to Google and search how to create a Google account. But this is a screen. It looks like this. This is where you create your Google account. You put your name and all this. You create your password. So, yeah, you have to have a Google account, and you also have to be logged in. So you could be logged out of YouTube when you are trying to subscribe. You could be actually watching videos, but you're not logged in your account. So if you subscribe like this, if you want to subscribe and hit the bell, YouTube is going to remind you that you are not logged in. So they bring the login button right here. The login will come, assuming you already have a Google account or Gmail account, Google account. You can have a Google account without having a Gmail account. Like my account is not a Gmail account. I use my other email. So, but a Google account. So to say sign in here before you can subscribe to a channel. And then you log in with your email and password and then subscribe. Okay? I think that's it. So whenever you are watching and you see a red button in front of you, just know you have not supported this person, which is not very nice. When someone is doing good, taking time to record good videos for you, please subscribe, watch for at least a minute before you subscribe though, okay? And that's how you support someone. As a review, you like the video, or maybe you don't like it, then you give it a thumbs down, like this. But I hope you do thumbs up. You share the video, you subscribe. Now, what about the comment? The comments are always down here. See, it says add a comment. But when you're on a cell phone, they're hiding. Sometimes this space is like hiding. So when they have this description below the description of the video, that's where you find the comments. So if I wanted to add a comment, I could say great video. Great video. I'm adding a comment. Great video. That's the only way Salma will know that I watched this video. If I don't put a comment, they'll never know. So, great video. You add your comment. Now, my comment is right here. But already, I'm already a subscriber, so I already added a comment. See, I have my comment already here. Just added one just to show you that that's how. Now, if Salma is nice, she'll come back here. See how she's doing? She's responding to these comments. It's like a conversation. The person who is a good YouTuber would respond to people's comments. Even if they don't type, at least they'll love it. They'll just put a love on this, on the love, like that. And YouTube will not fire you when they do. Now, when you see any YouTuber responding to your comments, that's a good one. Some don't. Some don't. But those, if you are a YouTuber, you're watching this video, please, always, daily, check your channel, see who is adding comments. If you have so many comments, you don't have the time to respond with your own, like I just typing. At least love it. Just put a love on it, a heart on it. But YouTube these days has automated responses depending on what someone put. So they're automated. Those are new. You can just choose from the automated one. They're giving you options and respond. Please always take time to respond to the people. They're taking time to support you. That's my video. I hope it helps. It was for two kinds of people. If you're a YouTuber, share this with people and ask them to come live. Watch this and follow to support you completely. That's how you support a YouTuber completely. If you are not a YouTuber, you just use this as a guide to please support the YouTubers who take the time to create content for you. Okay? And as for me, now that we've gone through it, how about, have you liked? Like this one. Practice, like this one. Share it if you know someone will benefit. Subscribe and a comment so I know you watched it. That's my video. And check out my channel. I do YouTube tips. This is YouTube tips. I do money, business tips. I drive around. I'm in Virginia, USA. I show you around. Those are the videos on my channel. I also come live on Fridays. I talk about success habits and all that. My message here is take a step to a better you. I also do affiliate marketing with lives on Saturday, and Sunday I do motivation. So I do a lot. Check out my channel, okay? Thank you for watching it. Add a comment. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself. Take very good care of your families. Take very good care of your health. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.